In these next few videos, we're going to take a look at what makes Angeles City in the Philippines such a wild, fun, yet unique and chill experience. We got to join the Single at 40 crew for another blowout weekend in Angeles. When it comes to doing Fields Avenue right, these guys are rewriting the playbook.
I think this is the Single at 40 Angel crew that's waiting for my bros to come out. Greeting the angels. Yeah, man, like that's the whole freaking crew, bro. Photographers tonight. We got the Single at 40 Angels. Yeah. Single at 40. This is Angeles City. This is the Fields Avenue walking strip. We're gonna make it rain.
The bars and clubs know these guys are going to make it a party, and they are happy to opt in for the videos that showcase why their bars are so fun. Now, normally, the establishments do not permit filming, but anything goes when Single at 40 is making it rain pesos. One of the mottos of the Single at 40 crew is make walking street great again. Once you start to get to know the people that are working here and living here, you realize it really is a community. The nice thing about a lot of these bars is despite the fact that they can get pretty wild, they can also be very chill. It's the kind of place you could just go in, have a beer, and relax. There's never any ads on channel member videos. Each week, channel members get to see full-length, uncensored videos. To get some insider information and great tips on traveling in the Philippines and Angeles City, check out Nick and Glenn on the Single at 40 podcast.
We're at bar number 1. Time for bar number 2. What? My goodness. What? Hello, hello, hello. This is 100% the biggest crew I've ever rolled with anywhere in the Philippines. And this is just night number 1. I mean, it's not an entourage, it's a cavalcade.
Bar number 2 was super fun and friendly. They had reserved a whole section for our crew. When you're making it rain pesos in a bar, these bars definitely go out of their way to show you a good time. They'll put on all kinds of little events like twerk, fashion, or dance contests. Angeles City may have earned its reputation for bargirl nightlife. And yes, there can be a seedy connotation, but let's shift the perspective. These women are often kind, family-oriented folks hustling to support loved ones back home. They aren't defined by stereotypes. They're real people, balancing work and dreams, just like you. For a lot of these girls, it's just a short-term gig, sometimes just for a few months, and they leave once they've helped settle bills or obligation. They can be the friendliest in town, They're lighting up when they talk. It's not just about attention for hire, it's about a genuine connection.
No way. Angeles City, we're going to bar number 3. See what the Single 40 boys got in store for us. Because they are just lighting up this town.
By the time we rolled into bar number 3, I'm going to say we were pretty warmed up. We probably had the wildest time in this spot. And let me tell you, it was super fun. So yes, Angeles City life does include showgirls and go-go bars. But beyond that, it is a vibrant community of resilient, hard-working people. People who want to have fun, make genuine memories, and yes, earn support for their families. And when they invite you into that night out, however brief, it's real, it's human, and it's worth understanding with a pause, not a judgment. With the changes coming up fast for public videos in the Philippines, there won't be a lot that can be posted on YouTube, but channel members will still have access to all videos every week with no censorship. You don't have to make it rain to have a good time in a bar like this, but I guarantee you, a couple of handfuls of 20s are going to put you on the top of the party list. Once that party vibe gets rolling, the karaoke mic comes out, the girls want to dance, or maybe you just want to canoodle quietly in the corner with someone who caught your eye. It's all in good fun. Everyone wants to make a great connection. It can be chill or even kind of wild, but as long as you're respectful, it's going to be a great night. Angeles City has some great nightclubs, and you're going to see that coming up in the next video. It definitely gets wild, and it is a completely different vibe than a regular bar like this. You're even going to find some well-known, established, great restaurants in this town.
The end of an insanely long night with a single of 40 boys. Even in Angeles City, you know, you go on Fields Avenue, most spots are going to be overpriced for breakfast, right? Or dinner or lunch, whatever. But come right behind Fields Avenue, getting a little Pinoy joint like this. Everything on the menu is like $1.50, $2. How you do it. You can get a little Pinoy menu like this, and everything's like $2.
Golden pepper.
Look at this fence. It is literally built from trash, and they call this straw.
Yeah.
Oh
They
yeah.
have their own house. Oh.
That is, yeah, that's a very interesting construction there. Just kind of surprised to see that our little pool hall down at the bottom of Walking Street is closed. It was a nice little open Pinoy style bar, good prices, a couple pool tables. I'm just surprised that it didn't last. Like when we last came here, they had just kind of opened, and now months later, they're closed. But that's pretty common in the Philippines for businesses to open and close. On Walking Street, 2 cappuccinos would cost more than our entire breakfasts did this morning. That is the price differential between buying on Walking Street and going 1 block over from Walking Street. There's no 0-calorie sweeteners, you know, in places like Angeles for the most part. So you got to pack your own stevia or whatever it is. So the Agave Mexican Cantina, been in BGC for years and years and years. We used to go there for the bottomless margaritas, right? All you can drink 400 pesos, that's good. But I mean, when we talk about Koreans in Angeles City, when the Mexican restaurant starts putting their advertisement up in Korean letters, whatever they are, then you know things are changing.
Wait until you see the nightclub action in Angeles City. That's coming up next. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for much more coming up from the Philippines.